For your consideration is this Yamaha yp-b2 belt drive turntable that is in full working order. This turntable has a beautiful wood base, very nice bright work. It is fitted with a Stanton 680 EL cartridge. Both speeds have been tested and are dead on. This turntable does not come with a lid or hinges. You have auto on when you move it over. You have Q down. This table has substantial feet that are in excellent condition. We have Q. And the cut auto return function is in full operational order. Thanks for considering and good luck.